You rubbish the first man you married. You think you can play the same game with me. You went to go and park my Lexus, a car that I bought for 67 million in your compound, feeling that you are bigger than the law. If you are bigger than the law, then me, I will equally break the law. I will take the law into my hands. I can go to that compound and carry my vehicle. Heaven will not fall. But I want to respect the law and follow every due process.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter na about Kpokpogiri. Kpokpogiri, I know say some of una see video when I first do when Tonto Dike'S arrest him, my darling people. Mr. Kpokpogiri na don fall out oh. He don fall out again, come do live video. Say Tonto Dike'S no get the time wey take arrest him. Say na fake rumor. Make Tonto Dike'S, may we ask him whether it think say it go fit fool him the way it take fool his ex-husband. That's say it don't reach like that. He said Tonto Dike'S no fit fool and video there. Oh, I go put the video, my darling people. Hey, area don scatter. Oh, this guy na character, sha. Tonto Dike'S, how you take follow this kind man? How you take follow him? How you go just open eye, you pass all the men where did this world. Now this guy, now you still follow Tonto Dike'S. This one are the highest where you do as in, like seriously. How you go just pass all the guys? Now this kind Kpokpogiri when the head be like Gary head. Now this kind guy, now you can't see follow Tonto Dike'S. Aye. You over fuck up. I don't lie to you. This one not just what I'm at all. If you see what they come out for this guy, Matt, very mumu guy. The thing shocks. Even Churchy better pass this one. Churchy, he better pass this one 100 times. And you go just pass all the men. Say now this kind guy, no, Tonto Dike'S, you not do this one where I not lie you. You not just do this one where at all. This guy not just water at all. He no water. Hey, Tonto Dike'S. Hey, I not lie to you, eh? The way the guy said they talk, he said Tonto Dike'S not go feel threatening now. You think say what you do to your ex-man, you can do this to me? That one not go work. He said, we go the same men not talk. May we leave only women, may women they talk. He said he not be like that, so he must talk. Nobody go feel oh he mad. I was like, who is this man? Who you be? Who you help? He just pay me say Tonto Dike'S of all people now can go for victim. After waiting you use your mouth talk about Churchy. Churchy better pass this 101 million times. If they ever put Churchy for ground, put this guy for ground, now Churchy, now many people go choose. I don't lie you. This guy too local for you. Even he talk alone self, you just know say na mugre na this guy be. He said Tonto Dike'S, you just say what you do to your ex-man, you fit do one to me. You can't do this one to me. He said he go drive, go he has, go carry the car when he buy for him. I was like seriously? Tonto, you really made mistake. I not lie you, eh? You make a very, very big mistake for this guy. This one not just what I'm at all. This one not be better person at all. I not lie you. You made a very, very big mistake. This one not be better person. This guy are just mugre. Wait. Gosh. No. Tonto Dike'S, I not lie you, eh? This guy not what time. This guy, as in, very mugre. He talks anyhow. He know they talk well. See all the voice record when he even go they bring come and that you know say Tonto Dike'S, you made a very big mistake. And another thing again, if you get man, I beg, no they use money till they carry them again. No go they buy car for them. You understand? Some of them know what time. They know what time. Like this one now, it be like who they send can't give you. This guy not be better person at all. Not be better person. You know the evil talk where he say you think say what you do to your ex-man, you feel do one to me. He say you not feel try this one to him because in a Kpokpogiri head na him be. So my darling people, I go put the video na more na see am when they use the mat they chop onions. Very mugre guy, mugre wey pass this guy, not this word. My darling people, I go put the video na more na see am. And I blackmail, and they say it be, they say na so they do to all the women wey don't follow. You go make sure say he blackmail them. They say na he work, na be that one. I waiting in they do, na be that one. In they always they blackmail all of the way, all the women way they follow. You understand? So you just pay me say, Tonto Dike not just look the guy way, just go for everything. And that one just pay me for his side. Say, oh, so now another one chance. Or another one chance, now you just enter, my darling. Or another one chance, I not like you. Churchy better pass this Kpokpogiri. Churchy, it better pass this Kpokpogiri. My darling people, I beg more help me share the video. So if any updates day, I go see can tell you now again. Thank you, my darling people. I will put the video now. More now listen to Kpokpogiri where in they use the mat, the chop onions. Bye.
My brother, I did my house. Rumor they fly say, oh, he has been picked by DSS. He has been picked by DSS. Person not recommended to do your hatchet job. If you have any information on anybody, it's not to come to the social media around and talk nonsense. Come out with your evidence. Put it before the public. You know, I want the general public to disregard that rumors that is flying up and down that have been picked by DSS. That is why I came on live. Hello, my brother. I did on live for rumor just a fly up and down that I've been picked by DSS. I did on Instagram live now just to debunk that nonsense rumor. Yeah. I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. Don't worry, I'll call you back when I finish. You know, you can't carry my vehicle, you go and park it in your compound, motor that you cannot buy till you die. Then you think you want to use DSS or you want to use the Nigeria Security Agency to do your hatchet job. This is Nigerian. That's where we've been governed by law. If you have anything against me, go and tender it anywhere. Let them invite me. I will go there. I have all the ability to defend it. It's not all those nonsense everybody is ranting around. When I see one idiot girl was ranting, Scots this, Scots that. Show.
When they forget the gist, say police.
Oh boy, you know, fake people, fake gist. You know, do you know the problem we have in this country with this? When a woman is talking, they will say men should not talk. A woman, you rubbish the first man you married. You think you can play the same game with me. You went to go and park my Lexus, a car that I bought for 67 million in your compound, feeling that you are bigger than the law. If you are bigger than the law, then me, I will equally break the law. I will take the law into my hands. I can go to that compound and carry my vehicle. Ever will not fall. But I want to respect the law and follow every due process.